this lesson, guys, I will going to show how to make a simple model. This is a guardhouse as shown in the picture. So let's start. Okay, double click the SketchUp icon to run it and choose your template. Click Start SketchUp and wait for a few seconds. Now this is your modeling window. You can actually choose your pencil or the rectangle button to draw your model. Okay, this is an example of using the pencil in making your model, but there's another way to do it by using the rectangle shape. Okay, so group it. I will explain in another video why we are going to group it, and press P for push and pull, and then we're going to do the wall of the guardhouse. There you go. You can see I am pulling it. That's so simple. And then offset, or click F to offset, so as you can make the wall and push the middle part of the model. Now you have the wall. And this is how to make the opening of the door. Okay, using the pencil button, and then input and push and pull. You can input a number for a figure to be accurate. Then you can use the tape measure tool to be accurate from the bottom or from the flooring to the bottom of the window. Then that's 1200 in height. You have 1.2 by 1.2 window. Just draw it like that. And again, press P or pull, or click the icon. Okay, so that's very simple. Okay, you can delete the lines or the line that we have done earlier. And then now what we're going to do is the roofing. Now don't forget to group every model or every object in your model. Don't forget to group it. Click the right button of your mouse, and now the eave of the guardhouse is 1000. Just push and input 1000 and then enter. So you are going to create the eaves of the guardhouse. Okay, so this is for us to be able to make the roofing. Now you can use the move tool, move and control, so that we can have a reference line for the gutter. Press M and control, then click. That's 300 mm from the bottom, and then you can draw something like this and pull or push, so that we can create a roofing. as shown in your window. Or if you want another style of the roofing, you can draw another lines like that, and then erase the extra lines by clicking the icon or click letter E in your keyboard. Now you have your roofing. As simple as that. So the SketchUp is very user friendly. Now I'm going to do the gutter. So you can press the arrow left and arrow right so as to constrain the lines. Okay, and group it again and draw the cross section of the gutter. So remember, you can be accurate in doing this cross section just by inputting the uh, dimension and erase the extra lines. Now you have to make lines along the roofing so as you will be able to do the gutter. Now select the lines. You have to press control so you will be able to select all the lines you have drawn, and then click the follow icon. Okay, and click the cross section, and boom, you have the gutter. It's very easy. Now I'm going to add a step for the guardhouse, and I input 300 by 700 mm. Okay, that's zero point 0.2 by zero point 0.7 in width and length, and extrude or push or pull. Then I move the step. Okay, in doing so, you can click the right arrow or left arrow to constrain the movement. You can also click the arrow up to constrain the movement vertically. Okay, in your panel, you can choose the materials for your roofing. Okay, that's it. This is very easy, guys. So you have a roofing materials right away. You can choose your materials and then the color of the gutter, and you can even select color for your wall or for the building itself. Okay, so next we are going to put the tiles on the flooring. So as you can observe, this SketchUp is very user friendly. It's very elementary. Okay. Okay, so anyway, this is just a simple activity. I will show you on our next, I think, lessons to come for a complete set of plan for a sophisticated model. That's it. So you have the model for a guardhouse in just, I think, you can do it in only 5 minutes if you are already used to it. So this is the model of your guardhouse. So watch out for our next lesson, guys, mga ka-builder. I hope you're doing fine and have a blessed day ahead.